Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to move your passwords from LastPass to Google Password Manager. First, open the LastPass browser extension. Sign in with your master password to unlock your vault. Next, click on the Account tab. From the menu, select Fix a Problem Yourself. Then choose Export Vault Items. You will see a drop-down. From there, select Export Data for use anywhere. LastPass will ask you again for your master password. Enter it to confirm. After that, click Continue or Submit. Now a file will download to your computer. This file is a CSV which contains all your saved usernames and passwords. Be careful with it because the file is not encrypted. The next step is to move the data into Google Password Manager. Open your Chrome browser and go to passwords.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Look for the Import option. If you do not see it, open Chrome settings, then go to Autofill, Password Manager, and find Import. Select the CSV file you downloaded from LastPass and confirm the import. Google will now move your saved logins into Password Manager. Now your passwords are safely stored in Google Password Manager. Thanks for watching.